Okay, this video is gonna not be the best quality because I don't have anyone except me to open up the cat food, but when you have the sound effects when I'm giving the cats a special treat. What is this wholesome goodness food? Everyone hungry? Okay, Darwin. Marble, big guy, you hungry, Marble? Marble, 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 meow me. Marble, usually you're Marble. Okay, I'm giving this a leg roll. Hold on, over here. Okay. Okay. Oh, poor babies. Hey, Tofu. You want some kitty food, Tofu? Hey, boys. Darwin, I know you're hungry, of course. I know, poor things, you never get fed. No doubt. Right, okay. Oh, that smells fishy. Okay. That's red snapper and ocean fish cuisine in a delicate broth. Wonderful. Okay. Here you go, Curry. You're a good boy. Good boy, Curry. There you go. Okay. Okay, hope you guys are happy. I know you can share. I've seen you do it before. I figured it out. But anyway. Hey guys. Of course, the famed pizza boxes that they sit on. Oh, Curry. Curry's always so polite. You're a polite boy. Okay. Enjoy it, guys. Okay, Curry. Oh. I'll get you a dog bone to chew on. Okay.